Good morning to you. The birds are chirping. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl Kensthetic with the Kensthetics, and I'm here with you guys today with a new video. So today is Tuesday, April 27th, and I'm starting off this vlog. So this vlog is going to be a get ready with me, because guess where I'm going? Well, y'all already gonna know if y'all follow me on Instagram by now, but I am going to Costa Rica for my 27th birthday. So this vlog is basically going to be like a maintenance vlog, me getting ready. You guys are gonna see me get my nails done, my hair done, y'all won't see me getting my wax, but I'll take you guys along with me, my lashes, and pack. So that's all that's going to be in this video. So before we get started, make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel. We're on the road to 10K, okay? And I would like to get there by my birthday. Well, you guys are going to see this after my birthday. But yeah, either way, subscribe, because 10K loading. Give this video a big thumbs up. Drop a comment down below. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So today I have my nail appointment, so I'm getting my nails done. You guys, I'm getting acrylics. I haven't done acrylics since Aruba, so since October I haven't done acrylic on my nails. So it's been about 6 months. My nails are way healthier. I'll show you guys up close so y'all can see. But yeah, either way, my nails are way healthier than they were before, so I'm super excited about that. I don't know why this thing is not focusing. I haven't used this camera in a couple of days and I want to hack up. Either way, my nails are healthier, and I'm super excited about that because they were just brittle. Not you not focusing on me. I have my camera on the wrong setting, but my nails are way healthier now. Y'all see. So I'm super excited that they're healthier, and I'm gonna put acrylic back on now versus just putting the acrylic on my nails while they were weak. So yeah. And then I'm doing, so on my nails, let me show you guys my nail inspo. I'll go ahead and pop it on the screen, but I just have a folder in my Instagram of like nail inspo, so these are just some screen grabs of them so you guys can get a sense of what I'm going for. But I want them long. Y'all know I love my bob grip was nice and long, and I want some type of like French-ish design, so that's what I'm going for. And I also want color. And my toes, I'm just doing funny bunny. I went ahead and halfway soaked the gel off my toes. Hopefully, you know, it could do what it do, because I ain't had much time. I had much acetone, so I just had to do what I could do. But my appointment's at 10. It's like 9:10 now, so I'm gonna go ahead and get dressed. I'll show you guys what I have on, and then we're gonna head to the nail salon. And I just have my hair in this bun. I washed it last night and I just let it air dry. So listen, y'all know I hate my hairline, but yeah. Okay, so quick OOTD before I have to run out of the door. I have on this jean jacket that I got from Zara years ago. It's like a long line denim jacket with distressed details. I have on this t-shirt from Forever 21 that I showed you guys when I went to Cabo that I wore. It's just a shirt, and it has, is it her or H-E-R? I still don't know how to pronounce her name. And then I have on these black leggings, and then I have on my Nike ribs. Okay, focus here. My Nike ribs. If you guys didn't get your pair, I'll have the link down below, because these are the most comfortable sneaker shoes ever, period. And I'm just carrying my black Telfar bag, and yeah, I'm gonna run now because it's already 9:30. Okay, so I just got home and I'm kind of sad because I'm never gonna say sad. I'm just like over it at this point. But I had a little what I asked for versus what I got situation, and I don't know. Like, look at my nails. So this is how my nails look. I don't hate them, but it's not what I asked for. You know what I'm saying? Like when you have your mind set up, like, oh, this is what I want. This is what I'm gonna get, and then you get something other than that. It's kind of like, but I'm over it at this point. Love the shape, love the length, but the design is not what I necessarily asked for. But yeah, so I'm about to do some work and stuff now. As I mentioned earlier, I have my hair tomorrow, so I actually have to record one last sponsored hair video before I put these braids in. So I'm gonna do that tonight, and then I'll pick up the camera tomorrow once it's time for me to get my hair done, so I can show you guys my hair. Okay guys, so I haven't updated you guys in a while. I don't know if y'all can even hear me, but I'm about to go get some pants tailored. So yeah, my life has been a mess, a hot friggin' mess. Hey y'all, so it is May 1st, the day before I leave. My lips are dry, hold on. Okay, so I'm back. My face was dry, my lips were dry. I just got out of the shower, but it's May 1st, the day before I leave, and I have been doing a terrible job vlogging, but I have a reason why. So I was thinking about it, and I'm like, every time I go away, it's the same vlog. It's me showing you guys me getting my nails done. It's me showing you guys me getting my hair done. So I wanted to make this a little different. So I figured out a way that I can make a difference, and I'm gonna show you guys like packing tips and just take you guys along with me packing, because I actually have time to do that today versus me just throwing stuff in my bag. So that's what the rest of this video is most likely gonna be, or majority of it is gonna be. So excuse me, just a brief summary. I got my knotless braids done. Let me take it down so y'all can see. Hair by Kimmy. And I believe this is a blend of number 6, 4, 6, and 8. So I can't really see it now, but in the sun you'll be able to see it. And my lashes, Naroto Lash Bar. This is a glam fill because I had it set on before. Well, I got a set done April 3rd, and then I did a fill April 21st, and then I did like a touch-up slash fill just to make sure that everything was nice and together for the festivities. So make sure you guys book with her. I do have a code, so I'll put it on the screen, and it's Kens10. So if you guys use that, you get, I believe, 10% off your first full lash set. So book my sis. And then my nails, they're not what I asked for, but they will do. And I actually just cracked this one last night, right in the middle. Love that. Love that, love that. But I was like, nothing is ruining my mood, nothing. So I'm over it. But yeah, I have to actually record one video before I leave because I am going to be uploading while I'm gone. So I'm about to record my body care products under $10, and then I do have my Tulum vlog, and I have a vlog from me going to influencer events. So those are going to be the videos I'll post while I'm gone. And what else did I want to say? Yeah, I'm trying to get back to my upload schedule because I'm not gonna lie, I've been slacking, and I know I've been slacking, and I just needed a break, y'all. I've been so tired and overwhelmed, so this little getaway, extremely needed. But it was something else I wanted to say. Yeah, so I'm about to go record that video, edit those videos, schedule them on YouTube so that I could just focus on getting everything together for the rest of the evening. And my battery is dying anyway, so yeah. Okay, so I'm back. Let me fix myself. Ugh. Okay guys, so am I not focused? Okay. Okay guys, so I am back. I went ahead and recorded that video. I just edited my Tulum vlog, and then I'm gonna edit my body care video, and then I'm gonna edit my other vlog, and I'll be packing in between. So that's what you guys are gonna watch me do. But I did remember what I wanted to say to you guys before. So I know that I mentioned, and I did promote on my Instagram, that I was gonna do like my Making It to 27 series. I'm still gonna do that, but it's not going to be like as intense as it was before, or as I guess like I explained for it to be. So originally when I did it last year, when I did it in previous years, I posted every day during the month of May on my YouTube channel. Yeah, I do not have the capacity for that right now. I'm just gonna be honest with myself. I don't want to lie to y'all, but what I am gonna do is I'm going to get back on my normal schedule, so you guys will have new videos Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays, and Sundays this month of May. So it'll be content from the trip, it'll be content from me just speaking about like my birthday, maturing. We'll have some story times, we'll have some get ready with me's, but it'll all be like birthday related, I guess we can say. But yeah, I did want to tell you guys that because I don't want you guys sitting around expecting a video from me every day in May and then y'all don't get it. So that's what I wanted to say. So right now, as my video is exported, I'm gonna go ahead and pack my... Why is my camera doing that? This is not the time to be acting up, sweetie, okay? So now that my video is exported, I'm gonna go ahead and start packing my makeup so that I could get the show going, because it's 11:30 and we're leaving at 4:30. So yeah. So the first thing I do, I pull up my packing list. So I showed you guys this before, but I'll show you guys again just in case, you know, if anybody's new. Hey girl, hey. I have a travel packing list in my notes on my iPhone, so it's just very general. I'll show you guys, and I use the check boxes just to make sure I get everything. So I just have a general one, and then I copy and paste it and like edit and like, you know, check things off, just so that each time I have to use it, I don't have to like reformat the whole thing, if that makes sense. So you can make lists for anything, girl. I got lists for everything in my phone. Use it, abuse it. We paid $1,000+ for our phone, so we need to get $1,000 worth of use of the phone. So I use lists for everything. But this is a bag I pack my makeup in. This is a Flamingo cosmetic bag that I got from TJ Maxx, and it was literally the last one when I got it, so it was for me, period. Y'all know I think I'm a flamingo. I am a flamingo, but it's very dirty. But I have my perfume samples that I always travel with in here, and then I do have some backup contacts in here for my eyes. So I'm gonna go ahead and start packing my makeup. So I'll just walk you guys through the process of packing my makeup. So when I'm going on vacation, I like to have a nice full face at night, but during the day I want it to be real simple, and you know. So I am gonna pack this new tinted moisturizer that I got from Sephora. Yeah, I have not tried this out yet, so I don't even know if I'm actually going... Focus here, bruh. Focus here, baby. I don't know if I'm actually going to use it, just because I never used it before, but I'm gonna just pack it just to see. The color match is fine, but you know when you're on vacation you get tanned, so we're gonna see how that goes. But I just go through my drawers and I pack my makeup in the order that I do my makeup, right? Just to make sure I don't forget anything. So from primer to lippy, I go like that. But I'm gonna go ahead and pack both of my primers, just because, ooh, y'all, this primer is halfway done. I did not even know. I don't know if y'all could see, but my two Fenty primers, my hydrating primer and my soft matte primer, both of them will come in. For concealer, I'm gonna bring my 3 Fenty Beauty concealers. 410 to correct. Let me see how much I have left, because I don't know if I need to bring a backup of anything. I think I'm gonna have to bring another 410. That's why I love having my backups here, so that I ain't never gotta worry. So my 410 is actually running low. If you guys watch my makeup videos, if y'all don't, then what you really doing, sis? What are you doing? I'm gonna go ahead and pack my backup of 410 as well, just because the one that I have right now is running low, and I don't have time to be running out of anything while I'm enjoying myself. And then I'm gonna bring 370 and 390. If y'all never tried Fenty Beauty concealers, let's have a chat. Let's have a chat and let's reevaluate your life, because these concealers are literally the best, especially if you have acne prone skin. Y'all saw it in my foundation routine for acne prone skin. This concealer is bae. 390 is running low too, so I'm actually gonna bring my backup of that one as well. And then foundation, y'all know what I'm gonna bring. My Lancome 500, which is my perfect shade for when I am tan. I'm gonna bring my Fenty Beauty powder foundation for the days where I want like more of, ooh, not this being open, for those days where I want more of like a lightweight makeup look, I guess we can say. I'm going to pack my brushes, my sponges. I should have assessed my makeup before I went out today, because the amount of stuff that is missing and running low is ridiculous. Ha! I have another MAC Fix Plus. I'm just, oh, I didn't even mention, I'm bringing a check bag. Who is she? Y'all know I love me just to carry on, but I am bringing a check bag, so I'm gonna put this in it, my MAC Fix Plus setting spray, because I can't find my travel size one and it's too big for my carry-on. And just so you guys know, I'm gonna show you guys, but my carry-on is like my makeup, my skincare, outfits for the first 2-3 days just in case, and my designer items all go in my carry-on bag because I don't play, period. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish packing my makeup. In the order that I do my face, I'll do a time lapse so y'all can see, but that is the first thing I am packing.
Oh baby, love you babe, I think I love you babe. Oh baby, oh baby, oh baby, oh baby, oh baby, oh baby.
So I went ahead and laid out all of my outfits. So this is like birthday tee options. This is, oh, this is like daytime options. I have these 4 dresses. This might be kind of risky, but yeah, I get the point. I don't think I'm taking the skin sets. Too revealing. Laundry. Then these are like daytime outfits, and then this is swim, and this is laundry I just did. This is all my swim options. So girl, oh, and pajamas. But yeah, so I'm gonna start packing things up, and I'll do a time lapse so y'all can see, but let me put y'all on real quick. Y'all probably already know this, but if you don't, I'm about to tell you right now. If you order from Shein and you get these bags, you keep these bags, because this is when you're going to use them. So I'm going to go ahead and organize things like in this, basically using them as packing cubes. So yeah, wish me luck guys. It's so much, so freaking much.